Hi everybody, this is Tech How To 101, and today we're going to be discussing Microsoft Word. Now, most of these tips and tricks are going to be for Windows, for Microsoft Word 2010, so it won't necessarily apply to for the version for 2007. However, it could be like it's pretty general tips. So let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You can see some changes if you're a previous Microsoft Word user from another edition. You can notice the new file button up here. Also a new general user interface along with some new options. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So let's just talk about this top bar up here. This home button, home tab usually features the clipboard, fonts, styles, editing, some paragraph options. Just pretty good options here. And we can see that you have here in the clipboard option a paste, cut, copy, format painter. Now, one of the things that people usually don't listen to are these little tiny arrow buttons down here. These aren't really that noticed, but if you click on them, it opens a separate dialog box for more options. So you can see here some other clipboard, and for font you can click it and it opens a separate box for some more advanced options and some color, underlining, style, strike through, superscript, subscript. So these are all great. Now, usually students like me need to use double spacing options, so that's usually under the paragraph dialog box, and usually select for double for line spacing. Now, also there's more styles than these, such as these, and also there's this other arrow that'll open it up too for more options. So there's definitely more options than you see on the ribbon, which is this. So in the Insert tab, we have options for illustrations, for editing, for the text, header and footer, some symbols, and adding tables. So the pages here, there is cover page. It'll add a cover page with other information. You can also try a template too. You can add a blank page, add a page break. It starts a new page. You can also add a table. This is a really quick way. You just mouse over the option you like, and it actually will create a new table. There are other options such as picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, which is popular, charts, screenshots. So these are all good, along with hyperlinks, bookmarks, cross references for here in the link section. Header, footer, page numbers are all here. We also have text box, quick parts, and word art. Along with these special equation and symbol options, these will give you the options to add formulas and special symbols. So for the area of circle, it's pi r squared. So I also have a formula for that. And there's more equations at office.com, and you can insert a new one too if you'd like. Symbols, they just allow you to use these symbols and along with some more. Now, before we move on to page layout, let's take a look at this bottom toolbar here. Now you can change the zooming And you can also change the way you like to edit the document. So this is right now in print layout. There's also full screen. There's also web layout, outlining, and draft. Now, over here on the left-hand side, there is a icon here that if you click on it, it'll do a spelling and grammar check. Down up here, there is a word count. If you click on that, it opens a separate dialog box with a number of pages, words, characters, paragraphs, and lines. And this will show you page numbers, and you can find, replace, and go to certain pages. So that covers that. And over here, you can choose to use a ruler option. So this will allow you to use the ruler to help format your document based on your current settings. So here in page layout, we have a lot of options here, such as changing the page background, certain themes, changing margins, orientation, size, and columns, and also some spacing options and indentations, I'm sorry. And there's some references. I guess you can insert footnotes, endnotes, add a table of contents, insert a citation. That's pretty cool. That's, I think, a pretty close to new option. There's also some captions and other citation options. For mailings, there's envelopes, labels, some recipients, and also some other options here. Review allows you to review your document. For example, you can use the spelling and grammar check. You can research. You can use a thesaurus. Check the word count. You can actually translate your document. Also, you can set a proofing language. You can track changes. You can accept and reject changes, and along with restrict editing and comparing multiple versions of a document. Now in view, like I said before, there's print layout, which we're on currently, full screen, web layout, outline, and draft. There's also, if you wanted to add grid lines, a navigation pane, some zooming options, a new window, macros, and also switching windows. Now, one of the big things is that now there's a no more office button. So now there's this new file option. So if you click it, it opens a separate option here. And we have options such as save, save as, open, close. If you go to info, it shows you some information about the document. Pretty handy. Properties. Recent shows you recent places and documents. New will allow you to create a new document. Blank, blog posts, lots of awesome templates. And if you wanted to print, you can just print. Saving and sending allows you to send using email, save to web, send as PDF. Also some help options too. So this is just a quick tutorial on Microsoft Word 2010. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. And usually sometimes these videos get viral because of word of mouth, so definitely talk to your friends about this if you found this helpful in a walkthrough. Sometimes people use these videos also as product reviews to see if they want to purchase this. This isn't the current version of Microsoft Word. There are other options for Windows 8, etc. And I'm sure there are other options, but those of you who don't have Windows 8, this is a pretty good option for you. There's lots of great options, especially for exporting, such as PDF, XPS, and also sending us an internet fax. So I think that's really important. So this is Tech How To 101, going out.